Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is 1/1/26, January, Thursday, January 1st, 2026, at about 12:30 a.m. There's been a lot of fireworks going off. Happy New Year. Blessings to all. I hope New Year's brings you a new year and that it's a good one to you. Uh, and I hope that 2025 was a good one for you too. Uh, I know it was for me, and I'm thankful to have had such a blessed 2025, even though the last 5 days of it were spent, how shall we say, uh, had a real bad case of the runs, the Hershey squirts, whatever you want to call it. Montezuma's revenge. My asshole's been blowed out. 5 days of I don't leave the roof. I made one trip out of the house, and that was to go get some more uh, drinks and uh, soda and a little bit of food. Yeah, I 5 heading towards 6 days worth of my own cooking. I was ready for something else. And as you might be able to see, there's leftover part of something there. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you have had a blessed weekend or week, Christmas, holiday season. Uh, yeah, up to Christmas was the best one I've been having. The day after Christmas, this started, and I can tell you, I loved the fireworks. I watched them from my balcony. I got to see a lot of them. Reminded me of my little neighborhood in Amarillo, Texas, Eastridge. Lots of fireworks there. Anyway, uh, I thought I had social anxiety. Turned out I just don't like people. Somebody said they wanted more T-shirts. I dug some more out of my luggage. I think I still got about a half dozen or a dozen of them left. So yeah. Only problem is they need to go into the laundry and get washed. Yeah. Currently packing and being left in a box suitcase for 5 6 months is 5 heading towards 6 months doesn't do them a lot of good. Just saying. Anyway, I'm gonna try to be more consistent. Uh, can't make any guarantees, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent on this, putting more videos out. Uh, I'm in the process of trying to move money so that I can buy a scooter or a car. I'm still juggling. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get both. I don't know when I'll get the car, but yeah, definitely need the motor scooter and trying to decide which. Uh, there's a Suzuki Bergman I'm liking, a Honda ADV I like. There's a little Yamaha. I think it's a Neo or Mio. There, there's several of them I like. Part of me wants to just get the small, cheap one and work with that. The other wants to get the bigger, heavier. got all the bells and whistles type, because I don't think I'll be buying another one anytime soon. But I was planning on trying to rent one first and see which of those I like the most. If you're going to have a motorcycle, I suggest you enjoy riding it and that it's comfortable. Just saying, comfort. I'm old. I want something that's easy to sit on, that isn't gonna make me feel like I've been beat up after riding it for a short period. So, yeah, I'm trying to get that figured out. And on top of that, I'm still trying to look and see at different places as to finding a cheaper place to live. Part of me finds something right here in Mandawi area, Cebu area. The other part is no, get out in the province. I'm merely thinking I like the province more. So one of the things I want to be doing this month is going out to look at some more places out in the uh, Danao area, probably back over to Ronda. I do like that Acacia also. Ronda and Acacia are on the other side of the island. Get to see more sunsets there. Over here, you can catch a sunrise. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy. Just saying. Anyway, uh, gonna try to keep track of my budget. It's the first of the year, first month of the year. Try to keep that three ring circus going. Got to get over and get my visas in so I can get that taken care of. So, yay there. Uh, Hopefully, while I'm getting this out, I did a live. I don't know how many people clicked on it. I show some fireworks. Don't do that very often. Yeah. Anyway, started off this new year with me standing on my balcony watching fireworks. As soon as I got done with the fireworks, I went and had uh, bowel movement. I know. Never know what I'm going to talk about. So, explosions in front of me and explosions behind and below me. Uh, anyway, I'm going to try to keep my budget. Shoot for me doing the 800. I've come close, oh, 900, which is in, a couple times. But then I've had a couple that were over also. So working, going to shoot for 800. It's going to be my aim. That'll put me putting some behind or into savings, because hey, rainy days do happen. Believe me, I know rainy days do happen. Uh, yeah. Anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed year. This is William Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and more food. Uh, I'd like to have more food that actually stayed in me for a longer. Yeah, didn't come out as liquid. I don't know. I'm happy with it. I know that's crazy, right? Anyway, y'all have a blessed year. I hope it is a good one for you. I'm going to call it Later blessings. Bye bye. This is fishing. Fish is out.